3, 2, 1.
How many research centers does the university run on campus? The answer is C, 113. Why did we plant a vegetable garden? The answer is A, none of the above choices. The light, how would you do this? The answer is A, can open a flower petals. Were they able to see the fireworks well? The answer is B, yes, the group could see the fireworks well. How many hospitals are in Paris? The answer is A, 44. Which of Elizabeth Taylor's relatives had acted on stage? The answer is D, her mother. How many songs has Can I had that had exceeded 3 million digital sales? The answer is A, 6. Which god/goddess took over as king/queen of the gods when Zeus was killed in the TV series Xena, Warrior Princess? The answer is D, Athena. An example of seed dispersal is animals eating what? The answer is B, hard shells. Alphonse Gabriel Capone, aka Al Capone, was a real American criminal who inspired many movie and book characters. How did the real Al Capone die? The answer is A, cardiac arrest. Cook multiple hot dogs at once. How would you do this? The answer is A, cook them in a crock pot. What are biomass that occur where a river, a source of fresh water, meets the ocean called? The answer is A, estuaries. What are the lipids containing phosphorus? The answer is C, phospholipids. An IOF logo appears with the words long jump men. Several men run down a track and perform a long jump in a professional sports venue. A scoreboard graphic. What happens next? The answer is D, is shown for all the participating players. Why is the narrator's friend so proud? The answer is D, they are a new parent. What airport was renamed in 1979 to honor actor John Wayne? The answer is B, Orange County. Why would she fear a rejection from a man who is giving her a ride? The answer is A, none of the above choices. What year did the International Astronomical Union define the word star? The answer is D, 2006. Why is Saudi Arabia free of mental illness? The answer is D, there are no mad people there. What may happen after finding out that I had left early? The answer is A. I explained that I was told to leave early. At what age was a woman eligible to be ordained as Patriarch of Alexandria? The answer is A. 30. Which of the following is a symptom of hypothyroidism? The answer is A. Fatigue. How old is the child likely to be? The answer is A. 2. In what year was von Neumann's father elevated to nobility? The answer is D. 1913. What is the reason they actually showed blood instead of badly airbrushing it out would be preferable? The answer is A. It was more realistic and scary. What year do some researchers say marked the point when Old Dutch morphed? The answer is D. 1150. What year was Cyprus supposed to host the International Art Festival Manifesta? The answer is B. 2006. The woman throws the weight. The woman walks away from the competition area. The shot put attempt is replayed. The woman, what happens next? The answer is B. Displays a thumbs up sign with both hands. How many pints are in a firkin? The answer is D. 72. What type of show is the narrator watching with Jesse? The answer is D. They rewatching comedic TV. What time of the gaming system does the narrator like? The answer is A. They like Nintendo. How old is Ariana? The answer is A. She is a year old. What may happen before telling Nick off? The answer is B. None of the above choices. By 1647, how many factories did the company have? The answer is B. 23. How many times did the police come to Meg's house? The answer is D. 2. When was the first meteorite found in Antarctica? The answer is C. 1912. Measuring cup, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can be used to measure liquids. Slicer, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can cut paper. Sunday marks the anniversary of the introduction of the game-changing iPod. In what year was it introduced? The answer is D. 2001. Do most substances increase or decrease in size when they change from a liquid to a solid? The answer is B. Decrease. Which year was the study published? The answer is C. 2014. How many rugby teams are there in Lancashire? The answer is B. 89. In what year did Doctor Who start on television? The answer is C. 1963. A man in a white shirt talks to a camera. He grips the hand of another man. What happens next? The answer is A. Then begin to arm wrestle. What character from The Wind in the Willows becomes easily obsessed with items, only to forget about them soon after acquiring them? The answer is D. Mr. Toad. What year did Prince Albert die? The answer is A. 1861. Anna feels that she is confusing who and whom in her narrative. She wants to correct her error. Which of the following reference materials will best help Anna accomplish such a task? The answer is D. A grammar guide. Why did they have a bad day on the phones? The answer is B. They had dealt with a lot of rude customers. In the movie Facing the Giants, what player transferred to Shiloh after being kicked out of Westview High School? The answer is D. Matt Prater. What may have happened after they finished the essay?